Chase Escom here, giving you guys some news about ChallengeOS, formerly known as Challengedac, um, and just giving you guys a little bit of a little bit of updates about what's going on in the community, what's going on with the software, and kind of the whole overview here. So to start off with, um, what I check every day is the new accounts, how many new accounts are coming in. And if you go to blocks.io, you can see that the the accounts we're getting about 2 or 3. I've seen all the way up to 5 accounts, even up to 10 accounts a day. So it seems like every day we're getting a few more accounts, which is promising. And if you look on DApp Radar, it looks like we're for EOS chains in number 67 with 5 users, and out of all dApps, I think, what does that make us, 321st in the world. So considering that we're still pushing out the software and we're in a very, very early stages, I think that is not bad. A lot of the people who are using the software right now are understand that we're working on it still, and that we are making adjustments and we're constantly tweaking it. And I think that's how all projects are. You're constantly making them better, tweaking on them, tweaking the software, adding new code. So if there's been anyone that's have had any trouble with Challenge the last 3 days, I know we've had issues with people being able to deposit and withdraw tokens. That's because the team's been working on it, and we're working to get our new updates out. So, and about those updates, let me see if I can kind of go over them here. So, the updates that we have planned for the next round of challenge are pretty exciting. So if you guys don't know, so one of the things that we're working on is we're going to make it where you have a user profile, so people are able to upload a photo of themselves, have a little bit of information about them, and show where they are at in the world. And then also we're going to have the ability, or give people the ability, to set open challenges. So if you set a challenge, you can put it on a map, and it's open for any user to complete. So that's also a very cool feature. So for example, if I wanted somebody to come to I don't know, one of my classes for yoga in the park, then I could say, hey, anyone who comes to the park gets a little bit of challenge tokens, EOS tokens, whatever you like. So and then also we're adding some new tokens too. So right now there's only challenge, but we're also going to add EOS, sand token, and Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're pegs on the EOS network. We're going to add those too as well. So profile, user profile, friends list, and those are going to be the big ones that they're working on right now. And I think the community is going to really like that. So other than that, we have been let me get out of here real fast. Let me see if I can escape. Okay, there we go, escape. And then so getting new accounts, building up the software. Our goal is, as soon as this thing is something that is easy and user friendly, then we're going to start trying to advertise it to the masses and really start to get those user numbers to 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, and that's when things go viral. Right now, for anybody who uses Steam, we have a little bit of a Steam contest going on. So anyone who posts about challenge, we will on Steam we will upvote you, and you'll get about $1.50 in Steam just because we have a certain amount of delegation right now. And a lot of people making a lot of cool challenges and talking about the challenges that they're making on on Steam, which is really cool. So this is one from this user. He's just talking about how he sent his third challenge today. But we've been seeing some really cool stuff and people coming up with some really cool ideas for how to use the software. One of them is from this gentleman here. I believe he's located in Uganda, and he was talking about how and he runs a organization called the Girls Organization, or Girls Foundation rather. And he talks about how this will be a great way for him to be able to uh, gain support, gain resources for the efforts that he's trying to do to educate girls in Uganda. So I'll link to that below. Um, does a lot of great work. He's been posting, talking about how the development of this project is going to help him and help him with what he's trying to do. So this is just very cool to see all the different things people can use it for. Um, Also, another post that we had is this is true. If you had EOS on any major exchanges in July of 2018 when we did our airdrop, we gave challenge to everyone who holds EOS tokens. So if you held your tokens on OKEX, Binance, Bitfinex, all these major exchanges, and you haven't gotten your CHL, go try to get your CHL from them. I know OKEX has deposits and withdrawal for CHL, but like Binance, Bitfinex, any major exchange, if you held EOS on any exchange in July 2018, try to make sure you get your your CHL too, because it does trade. It's here's its trading right now at about $100,000 market cap, a little bit above that. But you know, we are doing a lot of neat, exciting stuff with the application, and we believe we're on the very beginnings of something special, and kind of being able to build. Our intention's been to build a viral app, something that kind of gains mass adoption. And I think if you want to be involved with a project that is on the beginning of something, and you want to be a part of this, then join our Telegram, use our software, talk about it. We're still in the early stages. Our community is still relatively small, so this is a chance of being part of something and trying to build something that is very special, and hopefully impacts a lot of people in a positive way. So these are just more Steam posts. Um, People just talking about their experience downloading the software and using it. And right now, anyone who downloads Challenge is currently Challengedac in Google Play. Right now, it's called ChallengeOS in Google Play, or excuse me, in iOS is ChallengeOS, and then in Android is Challengedac. So anyone who downloads it, you get a free account. We give you a free account, and we give you 20 challenge tokens too. So you can take those challenge tokens, sell them, do whatever you like with them. They're yours for downloading. And the biggest thing is we do that because we want to give people um, a little bit of crypto to play around with right off the bat. So as soon as you download, you can start making challenges to people right off the bat. So like I said, a lot of cool challenges I've seen. There was two gentlemen. I think they were maybe high school age. They were challenging each other to go to a school in Bangladesh. I've seen challenges in Norway, so India. So the people who are using this are using it all around the world, which is really cool to see. So um, if you want to be a part of a new DApp, a decentralized application that is hopefully going to continue to grow, um, I'll leave all the links to our, we have a Reddit page, LinkedIn page. Uh, we have a lot of discussion on our Telegram, and jump on and participate, and we'll definitely appreciate it, because it takes a community to grow software and to grow a user base. And without a community of people who are talking about it, using it, contributing to it, these things just don't become successful. So thanks.